What was it? What was it that found the answer? What was it? It was my love. No, it was the art. Inside the art, I found the answer. It was the mathematics. Inside the mathematics, I found the answer. It was the shape. No, it was God that let my mind run free and search out what it could be that will make my mind happy. Isn't that what we're supposed to do? Search out things that will make your mind happy. So that I go into all these little situations is to make my mind happy. How do I achieve it? By the will. It is our will of the want, our choice to fix or to recreate in the art, to have the imagination, to enhance the vision, is to be able to fill in more areas of what's missing. Another thing I wanted to mention is this year on the eve of Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur, it says 634. 634 is the sunset, which is 1834. 1834 becomes 2468. So perfect. 2508 is 2568. 68, 70, 88, 93, Saturn. This way it's 33, Christ, Saturn. Jesus Christ, Saturn, the heaven of 80 is 86, the cat in the hat. If I want to go 2 times 4 times 6 times 8 is 48. By 4 is 96 is 96, 192. By 2 is 384. 384 days. And a Hebrew New Year comes. That's right. This year is 384 days since last year. 2 by 4 is 8. Times 6 is 48. 320. 8 by 4 is 32. 8 times 6 is 48. By 2 is 96 times 4. 96 and 96. 2 times 4 times 6 times 8 equals 384. 192 and 192. Flip it upside down, it's 162. Turn it backwards, it becomes 165. Between the two languages. I showed you that letter, right? Did I show you the letter? I drew a number 2. See the 2 I drew over here? See the 2 I drew is behind it? But look what's behind it too. It's number 5. Hebrew to your writing, seen from one side to the other. Number 52. That's where that thing sits. I'll tell you that another day about the... But what I'm going to tell you right now is also the C for creation, okay? If you take a look, there's an I inside. You can't get the ball out. Now, this was connected to the ball. This ball won't come out of the C, okay? Like running down a strand. 634, 6 by 3 by 4 becomes 72 times 5 equals 360 degrees. 2 by 7, 2 plus 7 is 9 and 4, 13. 14. 14th letter is N. 7th letter is G. Second letter is B. It says big. 9 and 14 is 23rd letter is W. It says win big. Win big, he. He heaven. 8 by 5, 8 plus 5 is 40 plus 13 is 53. 53 plus 6 is 59. Minus 6 is 47. 47 to 59 is 12. Alpha, beta. Win alpha, beta, gamma, delta. 8 and 6 to cat in the hat. Cat in the hat. 2 and 4. 1 and 5. 3 reader of Christ. Low shoe. Low shoe corners. Can we get low shoe corners? Low shoe. We have here to here. Low shoe corners, we have here to here, 8642. 4 and 6 is 10, 2 and 8 is 10. We want to switch to regular numbers? No problem. We can switch to regular numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can do it again. You understand? This is supposed to be 2. Low shoe, okay, fits in right over here. Over here goes 3. Excuse me, over here goes 3. So one would have to start over here. Okay, so I have to turn this page and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How low shoe fits in 2 tic-tac-toes into this scheme over here. When we take 6 by 34, 204, it becomes 264, 2 worlds of gold. Another thing I want to show you about 6, 3, and 4 is, I'm just trying to think for a second. Yes, 634 to sunset, there's an 8 digital that runs in between this. It becomes 6 and 8, right? Because the sun sets, the 2 moons, the sun in the sky and the moon in your head, the 2 moons. Earth is also a moon because it takes in, men are the planets, we're the planets. We live on Earth. That's our moon. If she brings in our vibration, how can she be our planet? We have to be the planet walking on the moon, like little magnets. Okay? So we have 264. 6 by 4, 6 plus 4 is 34. Into the sunset, 2 by 34 is 68. 102 or 162 in the dog pound, or 2 by 91 is 182, or split that in half is 81. Now what am I talking about? We're in the dog pound. 291 is, we can flip this upside down. It looks like 291. Counts for 2 suits. 102 is Valentine. 102 is Blackjack. Why? Because there's 91 plus 11. The extra ace value is 11 is in the deck. You have to count the value in 1 suit, what you get out of a suit. Okay? Since there are 3 aces, that's 33. 4 aces gives you 44. Now you're connected. 4 aces. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 corners. And it's 1 ace, 2 aces, 3 aces, 4 aces. So you get 53 here, 5 by 3 plus 5 plus 3, the 8 ball with the 15 ball. 8 and 6. 1 by 5, 1 plus 5 is 5 and 6 communication. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 plus 6 is 11 equals 41. Plus 6 for the 0 is 47. But wait a second. Let's minus 6 and plus 6 because we have to put that 1 in the center of the diameter. So let's minus 6. So everything that has to do with 0 is now plus 6 and minus 6 because I just added that into my equation. So 20, like February, right? The last 0 in February is 20. There is no 30. So it becomes 26 and 14. N and Z. And when you turn the N sideways to the Z, they're the same. It equals to 40, which is blue. So when you add, let me see this, 20, 14, 26. So when you play this one over here as N, T, Z, NTZ 666. So if you did it at the beginning, it would be A plus 6 is G plus 6 is M. It says game, Nazi game, E-N-T-E-Z, Nazis game. Or a gram. Do you find what it is? And 666, when it's added, right? When 666 is added, it's actually A plus 6 is G plus 6 is M, but 666 equals 18R. So it becomes R A G G A M R N T Z 666. This 0 becomes 26 because between here and here is actually add 12, but there's 12 plus 14, but the 14 is not counted, so 12 equals 13. Okay, over here becomes 2626, or this would have to be read on the back side. I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to show you this in a second. So when we look at this side 26, we actually turn it to this side, and it doesn't even have anything for it, right? 5E. But the reality of what I wanted to show you, is this video on yet? Is that 26 reflected, okay, in this world becomes becomes 62. 8 times 6, 8 plus 6 is 62. I'm not sure. How can we get to 26? 3 by 8, 3 by 7 plus 7, 3 by 6 plus 6 is 24. How do we get to this? 26. You have to get to 20. So like I said, Valentine's Day, right, would be trapped. 10 plus 6, okay? 14th is Valentine's Day. It's 4 away from 10 and 2 away from 6. But when you get to 20, it goes down to 14. It's now right on it. So between the 14th and the 16th, Valentine's Day is very special because there's a link between 0, 1. Why is there a link? Because when you go from one month to the next month, there's a continuation in days. When you get the 40 days, okay, in January, it's actually the 9th of February. When you get the 50 days, it runs in days and in cycles and your own proper month for the months that we live in our own world. Okay, I'm not going to get into it all because I don't know it all. I search it and I think it and I do it as I go along with you. What else am I going to do in here? 85 becomes 23. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 equals to 11. Jesus Christ, number 92. Why? JSS in Jesus Christ is 66618. Add 18 on to 74 is 92. And a new number for Jesus right now is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 equals, the number for Jesus Christ in a single count is 29. 2992, the leap year. The leap year was added in for Jesus. 2 times 9, 2 plus 9 equals, 2 times 9 is 18. 2 plus 9 is 11 equals 29 equals 18. Okay? Equals 18 and 11. 18 and 11 is 1 times 8, 1 plus 8. Equals 17. 92 equals 18 plus 11. 1 times 8. 1 plus 8 equals to 8 equals to 9. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 1 equals to 2. This one equals to 3. This one equals to 17. This one equals to 8. This one equals to 3. 24 and 11. So it moves around. Jesus Christ comes around to equal to 17, which equals to 8. 3, which equals to 3, 8 and 3. Or what we do is 17 is 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 is 15. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 equals 8 equals to 15. But we still have already reduced the other number, 11, down to 3. So that one doesn't change. That would be 15 over 3 or 5 over 1. And now you have area 51 coming from this one. Okay? But now that we have 5 over 1, right? 7 and 8 is 15. Now what we're going to do is 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 equals to 11. So now we have 11 over 3. But once you get under a certain number, you no longer have to go to the bottom number. The bottom number is just showing you the initial part. When you come down to the prime numbers, okay, you're either at the bottom or you're at the top and you're starting over again. So the numbers go around. How do we know they go around? Well, 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 around. Raphael. Oh, the other thing is 7 equals 0. 8 equals minus 1. 9 equals minus 2. In order to get up and down with no values more than 5 and 3, this is the only way to go. Why 3? Because we're working with 7, 8, 9. Why 5? Because we're working 1 to 5. 1 to 6. 1 and 5 equals 6. Running out of pages. Raphael, sorry. I'm so sorry that I go on and on and on and on. Please ask me. I want to know, am I doing okay? Is there anything wrong with me? Am I not seeing straight? Am I okay? There's a little bit of sense in all of this. I'd like to know for myself. If I need help, help me. That's what I'm here for. I want you to help me. Please. Thank you. Raphael, 72, 86, in the constellation of Pegasus. This is my skunk outfit. Judge me. I'm the judge. Judge me. Thank you for watching. Peace. Not peace, the chicken. You know why? Because it's the chicken that split us apart. Very important phone call from Jen. You know the chicken they have, the chicken leg? It's what diverted everything, put in the Alpha Omega. Okay? So that chicken leg I don't think is good for us. That's why he's on top of the church. Okay, I got to get the phone now.